Creating a clean storyboard usually takes time and effort, but now it is much simpler. With just a reference image and a simple story idea, an entire storyboard can come together, characters stay consistent, environments stay stable, and every scene flows as if it were planned from the start. It also works for any style. Whether you want Studio Ghibli animation, simple 2D scenes, or 3D Pixar-style visuals, everything is generated cleanly and consistently. In this video, we will start with a simple story idea, create a reference character image with or without a background, and then turn that idea into consistent storyboard scenes step by step. And if you want to follow along easily, I have prepared a detailed document with all the prompts. You can find the link in the description. So, without further delay, let's get started. Hailuo AI is an amazing AI video generator for creating stunning visuals using text prompts and reference images. Recently, it has launched several powerful tools like Storyboard, AnyAngle, Light Studio, Hailuo Agent, and more. For this video, we will focus on the Storyboard tool to generate consistent and high-quality results. Simply click on the Try Now button, and you will be directed to a clean and simple dashboard. Here, you will see a grid layout to generate multiple scenes for your story. You can create up to 25 scenes in different aspect ratios. I will start with 9 shots using a landscape aspect ratio. Next, we need to upload a reference image and describe our story. There is no need to write long prompts with scene descriptions, camera movements, or complex settings. I will go to ChatGPT and ask for 3D Pixar-style animation story ideas, simple and adventurous, not overly complex or unrealistic. Within seconds, we get multiple story ideas. You can generate more if needed, but I will go with one of these. Copy the story idea and paste it here. Next, I will ask ChatGPT to generate a simple prompt for creating a reference image in 3D Pixar animation style. Now we have a prompt to generate our character. For image generation, I will use Whisk AI, a free tool. Paste the prompt and make sure the landscape aspect ratio is selected. And here is the generated image. The image looks good, but we only need the character, not the full scene. So, I will go back to ChatGPT and ask for a prompt that generates only the character as a reference image. Now we have the updated prompt. I will copy it and generate the image again. This one looks perfect, so I will download it. Now, go back to the Hailuo AI website and click the plus icon to upload the reference image. The image is now uploaded. You can add more, but I will stick with one for now. Next, copy the story idea and paste it here. We have not added any style settings, camera controls, or environment details, just a simple story concept. At this point, you have 4 free generations available. Click the Generate button and wait a couple of minutes. And here it is, a complete 9-scene storyboard with consistent characters and matching backgrounds across all scenes. This looks amazing. The best part is that you can download each image separately, so there is no need to crop anything. For the next example, I will increase the number of shots to 16 using a 4x4 grid layout, still in landscape format. This time, I will upload a white background Studio Ghibli-style reference image. Then paste a simple story. A boy almost steps on a snake hidden in leaves. It coils instantly, ready to strike. He freezes, slowly stepping back inch by inch to avoid triggering it. And here is the result. Look at this output. The character remains consistent in every scene, and the background is generated naturally, even without providing any environment reference. That is impressive. You can also select any image to use as a reference or upscale it. For free video generation, you can use VO 3.1 by following the method I shared in my previous video. To generate videos in Hailuo, we first need image-to-video prompts for each scene. So, I will go back to ChatGPT, upload the storyboard, and ask for shot-by-shot image-to-video prompts based on it. Paste the story idea and click Generate. Within seconds, you will have prompts for each scene. Copy the prompt text and return to the Hailuo website. Click on the first scene and select the Image-to-Video option. Choose any video model from the list. Paste the prompt. Use the default settings and click Generate. And here is the final video output. You can also use the official Flow website, which provides free daily credits for video generation. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.